Now today we'll start proof of theorem, basic proportionality theorem of the chapter 7, similar triangles or triangles. So let's start this theorem. The name of this theorem is basic proportionality theorem, or we can say Thales theorem also. So the names of this theorem is basic proportionality theorem. In short, we say it BPT, and also it is known as Thales theorem. So the statement says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. That meaning ABC is a triangle and DE is a parallel line to the BC. It is given, and also this line DE intersect AB side at point D and intersect AC side at point E. It is given in the problem that DE is also equal to DE is parallel to BC. Now we have to prove that this line DE divides the two sides in the same ratio. The meaning is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So for proving this, we do some construction. So the construction is join C to the point D and B to the point E, and from E we have to draw the perpendicular line on the side AB, and from D we have to draw the perpendicular line on side AC. So EG is perpendicular to AB and DF is perpendicular to AC we will draw. So after the construction, the figure is like this, where DF is perpendicular on AC, EG is perpendicular on AB. So we take two triangles ADE and triangle BDE or DBE. Now in these two triangles, we know that the area of the triangle is half into base into height. So we find the area of these two triangles. Okay. So the area of the triangle ADE, it is half, and base is AD, and GE or EG is the perpendicular line, so it is the height of the triangle. So half into AD into EG is the area of triangle ADE. Similarly, we can find the area of triangle BDE or DBE. So it will half into base, that is BD, and height is EG. As triangle BDE is the obtuse angle triangle, and the altitude of the obtuse angle triangle will lie on the outside of the triangle. So this is the perpendicular line EG for BDE triangle, known as the height. So half of DB into EG. Now we find the ratio of these two areas. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is half into AD into AG and half into BD into EG. Now from here half and half will cancel out. So we'll have EG and EG will also cancel out. Then after we get area of ADE upon area of triangle BDE is AD upon DB. This is the first equation. Now after this, we again take the triangles ADE and this one triangle DEC, and we'll find the areas of these two triangles again. So area of triangle ADE, this one, when AE is the base, then DF is the height. As DF is the perpendicular on the side AC, so it is also perpendicular on the side AE. So area of ADE is half into AE into DF. Similarly, we can write the area of the triangle, this one ECD or DEC. So we get half into base is EC, and again its height, as the triangle DEC is the obtuse angle triangle, so its altitude is DF, so that is height. So half into EC into DF. In the same way, we will find the ratios of these. So area of ADE triangle upon area of triangle DEC is half into AE into DF upon half into EC into DF. So similarly, as we have done in the previous one, half and half will cancel out, DF and DF will cancel out. So we'll get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC is AE upon EC. This is the equation number 2. Now we get the two equations from the previous slides are these. As we observe in this figure, triangle BDE and triangle DEC, observe these two triangles, they are having the same base, that is DE, and as DE is parallel to BC, so we can say the triangle BDE and the triangle DEC are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So in the earlier class we have, if the two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, then they are equal in areas. So we have area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Now by the third equation we can write the first and second equation. In the place of DEC we can write BDE. So it will ADE upon BDE, area of these two triangles, is equal to AD upon DB. First equation is as it is, but in the second equation, in the place of DEC we write BDE. So here we get the two equations where left hand sides are equal, so right hand sides are also equal. So we get AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So we can say now, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and intersect the other two sides, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This proves the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Now we talk about corollary of basic proportionality theorem, that is the another forms of the BPT. So as we have AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, so we can add 1 in this equation. So after adding 1 and taking the LCM and solving these two sides, we get AD plus DB upon DB is equal to AE plus EC upon EC. Now by the figure we get AD plus DB is AB and AE plus EC is AC. So this is the second form of the BPT, that AB upon DB is AC upon EC. Now the another form also we can get. How? The first form was AD upon DB is AE upon EC. We can write the reciprocal of this. So it will become DB upon AD is equal to EC upon AE, and again we will add 1 to both the sides. So after adding 1 in the both side and by solving the sides and getting the LCMs, so we get AD plus DB upon AD is equal to AE plus EC upon AE. Again by the figure, AD and DB will the line segment AB and AE and EC is the line segment AC. So the another one form of this, AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE. This is the third form of the equation. Now we can arrange these forms also. So the second form was AB upon DB is equal to AC upon EC. We can write the reciprocal of this also. So it will become DB upon AB is equal to EC upon AC. Wherever we required the forms, we use these forms. Or the third form, again we can rewrite this as the taking the reciprocal of this. So it will become AD upon AB is equal to AE upon EC. Nothing we are doing only the reciprocals of the second and third form as by changing their places, numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. So here we have the three forms of the basic proportionality theorem. First is original form was AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. That means line divides the parallel lines divides the two sides of the triangle in the same ratio. Or the other form also we can write that complete part AB is the complete side and AC is the complete side. So complete part upon its a part, and again we can write complete part upon one of the part, complete side upon one of the part. So the basic proportionality theorem says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle and divides the two sides in the 2 points, then the at the 2 points the line divides in the same ratio. This is the original part, and after rewriting this original form we get two more forms of the basic proportionality theorem.